Hello everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're already part of the what? Grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we love to have you over here. It's free 99. It costs you nothing. Okay, to hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this with people you think may help, as well as don't forget to talk to me in the comments. Y'all know I love talking to y'all. Y'all know I'll be answering every single comment that I can, okay? So today we will be doing another iPad thing I've learned, which y'all know I'm into my iPad right now. Y'all can't say Tara bought this thing and not using it, because she be using it. However, as I find things that I think are helpful to me, I want to share them with you. So let's get into today's video, which is going to be how to create a sticker book, which is basically how to create a notebook and then just add your stickers. So what I've noticed with buying stickers on Etsy, I'm not at the point where I make my own stickers yet because I don't have a Canva membership. And I think in order to make your backgrounds of your stickers transparent, that is a pro feature with Canva, and I'm not there yet. Not to say I won't, I might have to save for that, but I'm not there yet. So in the meantime, in between time, I've been supporting I've been supporting big business on Etsy and buying their things. What I've noticed though is some people's will come up in sheets, which I love, and I'll show you what I mean. So let's head to our good notes. And I'll show you that when I get certain stickers, for example, these floral stickers, they come in and they're already cropped on a sheet. And if I want to use one, I just pick it up, move it, or I just make a copy of it and paste it into wherever I'm going. Love these sheets. These sheets are super easy to download, and that's fine. However, there are some that'll come in as singles, which are a little different. So let's say holiday stickers for Halloween, these all came in as single stickers. Now, I do believe she gives single stickers and she gives sheets, but I remember them coming in as stickers. A single sticker. So here's her sheet. She also did provide sheets. So some people will provide you with both. However, I did download one, and I think it has to do with also keeping the cost down. I think putting them on sheets and doing all this sometimes does make it a little harder. So you can find things a little bit cheaper when you don't get the sheet. The fall girls that I used, they were all just single PNG files. So I'm going to download them again with you today, because that's another thing. I noticed like people are like, well, I got it, but I don't know how to download it. So you get two things in this video. I'm going to show you how I download a file that I bought from Etsy, and then I'm going to show you how I save them to a notebook, or I'm calling a sticker book. I'm going to re-download this file here from this shop, which is Ink Spectra. It's one of my favorite shops, honestly. So I'm going to download the files, click download file button, and then there's a download button here to download. So I'm going to click that, and it says, do I want to download Curvy Autumn Girls? And I'm going to hit download. You'll see up here, the little button changed a little bit. Can y'all see up there? This little button, you'll see it's working, and then you click, and that is where your download is. So here's Curvy Autumn Girls 24 sitting up under that circle with the down arrow, which is the download button. You're just going to click that, and now it's too big. I'm going to click here for download. You see, sometimes with the finger it works better. And I'm going to get all these different PNG files. Baby, why? If I download all of these separately, they will sit in my files folder and I can move them back and forth. But I think for me, I prefer not to have things sit in my files folder because it will use up space and I could just have it all on GoodNotes. So with that being said, you see that there's a drives folder now. I am going to go ahead and I'm actually going to move now back to GoodNotes here, and I'm going to go and I'm going to new. And then we're going to go to notebook. So we're going to go to new notebook. Now this is what the last sticker book I made looks like. So I'll show you guys that in the end. But what you're going to do is you're going to you can name it. You can change the language. So let's just call this Curvy Girl Fall. Then the next thing you're going to do is you can choose a different language. It comes in Dutch, English, all the things. Clearly, we're going to stick with English over here. I will. And then you could choose whether or not you want your thing to have a cover. So it doesn't have to be a sticker book cover. You could just create a paper and add them on there. Like if you just want sheets and you don't want to create a whole sticker book, you can do that as well. I'm going to create the whole sticker book just to show you the whole entire product, but you know, you don't have to do that. Then the size, I had it on tabloid landscape. Editing Tara here. You see where I was telling you there was landscape? Don't forget you can also change it into portrait. So I use GoodNotes regular and tabloid, but you could use GoodNotes regular and portrait to have it more of a vertical layout rather than a horizontal layout. You can have all these different sizes, which is a GoodNotes standard size. You can have an A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, which is an iPhone size, letter, tabloid, or custom. So under custom, you can choose your width and height of your notebook. I'm going to go with the GoodNotes standard in this case. And then the color, the paper color, you can have it a yellow, a white, which I don't like yellow, a white or a black. That black could be cool, but I'm going to stick with white in this case. And then you can choose whether you want blank paper, dotted paper, squared paper, ruled paper, ruled wide, or if you have your own template, you can upload that template and you can choose whether you want writing paper or planner paper. Planner paper is like one that says to-dos or monthly planner, so it automatically have a template on it, or you can import. There's also a marketplace in GoodNotes, which we'll go over in a different video, but they sometimes will cost unless you have a membership. So for now, we're just gonna go, and writing paper usually has like lines and things like that. You can get a Cornell style, a legal style, single column style, so many different options, you guys. 2 columns, or you can import your own. All the options give you import your own. For now, we're just gonna do blank. So, and then we can hit, well, that's the paper, that's the cover. So for the cover, you can also choose, so it's Curvy Girl Fall, your English, and then you choose the style, but you can also change the color. So you can change the color, or you can use sample templates. This is my original template that I created. However, there's ones that look like this, and then many more. Or if you created something offline, you can import it. They have import colorful ones that you can choose from, or you can import your own. Just a whole bunch, or you can get covers from the marketplace again. I think this time I'm just gonna choose another color and keep it that way. I think I might just go with black for the time being, and because they already have sample colors. These are 2 that I created, but let's go with black, and we're going to hit create. We're done. So now it's gonna open up straight to your first page, and up here in this top corner, you can always add another page if you need to, before or after the last page that you're currently on. I'm going to say after, and you could choose whether you want a current template or change it to a square template. I'm just going to choose the current template. So now I have the cover and currently 2 pages. So let's go back to the Curvy Girls that we downloaded, and I'm going to turn it this way this time. I noticed that when I'm using my split screen, it's easier to have it in landscape view. We have our sticker book or notebook created. I'm going to go now and go to the 3 dots at the top, and we're going to go to split view, and I'm going to choose the internet because the internet was where all my girls were, right here. So once I've hit the 3 dots in the corner, you're going to get a little menu, and you can do open with. If you do open with, that's just going to open a whole new thing. All I do is hit download, and you can see it's scanning for viruses right now, and it'll ask you, do you want to download? And I'm going to say I want to view, because I actually don't want to download anything. I don't want to download anything else, okay? So now that I'm in view mode, all I'm going to do is hold down on my picture and drag it. That way I'm not downloading anything extra into my files in my download, and I'm going to resize it, make sure I'm all the way to the edge of my page. This is just me personally, and I'm going to put it like right there. Okay, now I've made a copy, but I didn't mean to do that. But you could, you know, make sure you're on your image tool and it'll be easier to move around. And so I'm going to show you one more, and then I'm just going to move the rest and show you how easily. Honestly, you guys, this is super therapeutic for me. I did it one time and I was like, this is the best. So make sure you hit the back button, okay? Because if you don't hit the back button, you're going to end up somewhere. You're going to end up having to start over. So again, click the three dots, hit download. It's going to ask you, are you right? Do you want to download? We wait. And so do you want to download? You're going to hit view instead of download. And you're going to hold down your girl and you're going to move her. And of course, you can like switch them around, move them around later. Just remember, hit back, because if you close out again, you're going to have to do it again. So I'm just going to speed through me moving these because, baby, I'm going to make this sheet. And I only have a few to download because you don't get too many. There are a few that are long that send you PNGs. And I'll come back and show you my one I did for my winter, some of my winter stickers that I need to add to. But I'll be back.
I see the violence in your eyes, and it's a silent fighting. I see the lies in their mind, and you can't decide cause they only blinding. Go away and go from the bad guys, follow my advice cause they're gonna be.
All right, guys, so I'm on my final girl, and I wanted to show you, before I show you what's in the sticker book, let's say you accidentally, I don't know how you would accidentally do that, but let's say you close it. Uh-oh. You just have to go back to your files. You'll still see the original file here, and then you would just click here to download. I find like if you use your finger on that part, it's just easier, and then you would just start over. But I do want to check something, so let me show you what the book looks like if you're here for that. This is the front cover and just a sheet and just a sheet. I actually think the next one I do, I might just create the sheet, and looks like this is the standard size for GoodNotes because that's what we chose. But this is almost looks like the same one I did yesterday, which I will show you what that looks like. And it's under, I think, my weekly stickers. Yeah. And it says Tara Sticker Book. And it was just some holiday stickers. So I might rename them holiday stickers because I have another holiday one that I need to do. But I just wanted to show you that, let's say you're in here and you went back to your Curvy Girl stickers. And let's say you were like, oh, I want to add these to my sticker sheet elsewhere. If you choose the 4 buttons in the corner here, you can press this little down arrow right here. Let me make sure y'all can see. There's a little down, disrespect. There's a little down arrow underneath each page, and you can click that, and then you click move to, right? And then you could go, let's say I wanted to put it into my, I think it's under weekly. You'd have to know where your stuff is though, right? So under weekly stickers, under Tara Stickers Book, I can move it to Tara Sticker Book, right? And you'll see that now in Curvy Girls, there's only one page now because I moved the whole page to Tara Sticker Book, which was all of these, and then Sticker Book. So you can combine as many. If you've done them separate, you can move anything pretty much anywhere, which I really love because you could actually just do a sheet, which I'm probably going to start doing a sheet. I'm probably going to make a pretty heading for each sheet. And then like with the store's name, just for my purposes, the store's name that I bought it from, and then the name of the kit, and then just have them all in one book. When I figure out if we can do tabs for these books, y'all, then I will do that. But let's say, okay, I really don't want these here. So again, you're going to press the 4 buttons, and then I'm going to do the down button in under here, and I'm going to say that I want to move to Curvy Girl Fall Sticker Book and move to Curvy Girl Fall. And as you can see, that page is gone out of there, but it's in my black notebook, which is the Curvy Girl Fall, and it's no longer in my Tara Sticker Notebook. Okay. So I hope that was helpful to you guys. That might be a little bit longer, but there's a lot to it. Editing Tara here. Sorry guys, I thought I was recording, but I was not. And so part of that video did not get recorded. I will try to cover the parts that I was covering, just one more thing, in like a shorts video. But if you made it this far, I would really appreciate you subscribing to the channel. That would help me very much. And thanks for watching. Love you, mean it. Bye.